At Locally Made Food Shop, the aroma alone will make you smile the moment you walk through the door. From our classic shoofly pies, homemade whoopie pies, to ooey gooey sticky buns, and soft, buttery cinnamon buns, every treat is handcrafted at Miller's Bakery, right here on property. Indulge in our famous chocolate pecan pie, a customer favorite for generations. Or enjoy our fresh baked raisin bread and our new fruit breads, available in 3 mouth-watering flavors. And don't forget the cookies. Our brown butter chocolate chip and old-fashioned peanut butter cookies are baked to perfection with the perfect balance of crisp edges and soft, chewy centers that keep the guests coming back for more. Every bite is made with care, tradition, and Lancaster County pride, just like it's been for nearly a century. Stop into Locally Made Food Shop to experience the irresistible flavors and comforting aromas of true Pennsylvania Dutch baking, or visit us online to share a little sweetness from Lancaster County with someone you love.